Hi. Some quality exercise bike can also be dirt cheap and still offer an effective way to work out. If you're looking for the best exercise bike under $300, you might consider checking out this best-rated exercise bike under $300. First, let's see the features of this great product.
Introducing FitDesk, for those of us who like to get things done and have more time to enjoy the good things in life. If you want to get more out of your day and earn rewards in both productivity and health, FitDesk is the solution you've been looking for. The FitDesk makes getting daily exercise easier. Our unique and easily adjustable design holds your laptop and accessories firmly in place while you exercise. This patent-pending design provides comfortable support of your upper body to steady and free your hands. FitDesk also includes resistance bands that allow an excellent upper body workout. The FitDesk is a great way to maintain an active lifestyle while also remaining productive. By using the FitDesk daily, you can develop healthy habits that can last a lifetime. With the adjustable resistance, ultra-quiet, twin-belt, high-velocity flywheel, you can surf the web, check your email, or finish that big deadline. Imagine doing all that while losing weight and improving your cardiovascular health. We've provided a beach cruiser seat especially designed for your comfort. It includes a 4-inch seat extender that allows for quick and correct fit for every body type. The digital cycling meter tracks mileage, calories, and exercise time. Loaded with features for busy everyday life, the FitDesk is ideal for use in your office, school, and working at home. The FitDesk is also ideal for places where space is at a premium. Our bike is just 45 pounds, incredibly stable and durable, yet folds up quickly, so you can easily store it out of sight. We use premium components for years of performance. FitDesk will be a natural addition to your daily routine. FitDesk is the exercise bike you will actually use. FitDesk, where productivity and health converge.
And these are our fitness experts' ratings for this product.